How to choose the best cat food for a senior cat. Cats go from adult stage to the senior stage in life at around 8 years old. Senior cats can find it hard to break down fat and protein, which can mean they struggle to get enough nutrients from their food. Link Senior is the best dry food for cats over the age of 8. Link Senior is a grain-free, 100% natural cat food supplemented by chondroitin and glucosamine to support joints. Not only is it easily digestible, it is supplemented by taurine, which is an essential amino acid that cats can't produce themselves. We also advise feeding your cat wet food 2 to 3 times a week to help reduce the risk of kidney issues. Husse's chicken and turkey chunks is a complete wet food for senior cats. For more information, please contact your local Husse pet nutritionist or contact Husse head office on 0207 998 3439.
Husse, healthy food, happy pets.